That's so cool. This is so zen. I love this, honey. Thank you for taking me here.
It's actually way bigger than I thought it was.
Well, that's okay.
Waterfall. See, look at that ground floor right there. See him?
Oh, I see him. I got him on film. If you guys, you want to zoom in with your fingers for me? There he is. He's crawling in the rocks there. There he is.
Looks like Alvin.
Yep.
She was cool.
Look at this tree above us. That's pretty leaves on it. I'm surprised they're not taking changing colors.
Oh, it will be. It's a sweet pond.
Shh, if we had a worm and hooks.
Got our fishing poles in the car.
Yeah, right. They'd kick us straight out. Here's another pretty waterfall, you guys. And a cute little...
I don't think got anything like this to see the rabbits.
I don't know, but nay,
Yeah,
here's your Japanese garden. Yeah, we got Norwich Park. What's that? Watch me drop my phone.
Oh, look at the bamboo.
Oh, the bamboo
That's
little
cool.
pit, what are they called?
Uh,
My gosh, our brains. Spindles. My gosh, are we getting that old?
Yep.
That's actually really cute.